Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Halo Halo podcast. My name is Andrew, and I'm going to be your host for today. These are my co-hosts, Zach. Say hi, Zach.
What's up?
Here's Jacob.
Oh,
Here's Zion.
Hello.
Here's Luis.
hey, what's up, boys?
And here is Kyle.
Hello.
Um, we have another member, Nathan, but unfortunately he can't join us. But he will. I think he will be joining us in a few minutes. Not sure. This is actually our first episode, so we'll take it slow from here. So, Luis, can you tell the viewers how and why we made this podcast?
So basically, Andrew mentioned in our Instagram group that he mentioned about a podcast, right? And then about making a podcast, and then we were like joking around, yeah, let's try to make. And then suddenly, you guys really started to, take it seriously. And yeah, we
Yeah.
managed to create this podcast. And so basically, we named this podcast the Halo Halo Podcast since we're literally gonna talk about anything. Uh, yeah, I think that's the very
That's about it.
explanation I can give.
Tsaka, ano, do you guys remember how we came up with the name?
Oh yeah.
What were the
Yeah.
other names?
It was
What were the other
messy
names?
times.
Yeah, I think we should mention those.
Ano I came up
Other names
with
here.
Banter Boys.
Panther
Yeah.
Boy.
Banter Boys.
Banter
Panther
Boys.
Boy.
Uh-huh. What
Do
was
you guys
that?
remember the
I think I think Nathan mentioned one, but I forgot.
Barangay?
Yeah. He mentioned
Barangay
something
Boys.
about barangay until we ended up with Halo Halo podcast. I think it
Yeah, someone randomly.
really fits us kasi 'di ba Halo Halo is a
Wala,
mix.
halo-halo tayo eh.
It's very mixed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very mixed.
Yeah, I think we really did a good job naming our podcast Halo Halo podcast.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tapos ano, what's our like main goal for this podcast? Ano, what do we want to show to the viewers? Ganun.
I think our main papag-usapan natin ganon.
Yeah. What's our goal for this podcast? Ganun.
I guess we're gonna talk about quarantine in general, right?
Yeah, very
For this,
quarantine.
yeah, for this period, yeah, quarantine.
All right. So let's start with our first siguro. Start with our first
Topic.
topic.
Sige.
Yeah.
Ano, sige, isa tayo. What's your problems for this quarantine as a teenager, as a
Teenager.
person? Yeah.
I think
Also
Andrew can start. I think Andrew can start on that.
Andrew, you can start.
Ako, ano eh, my problems is, I mean, I don't wanna be insensitive, pero, of course, the mere fact na hindi tayo makalabas, just go out with friends,
Yep.
Yeah.
even with family bonding.
No social
I mean, of course,
interaction.
We can't, forget na there are still so many other people na parang financially struggling due to this
Yeah.
pandemic. Pero for me, personally, social interaction, that's it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But si Zion, what's your like main problem for this quarantine?
Bro, it's hard to get food, man. I'm really hungry.
Oh yeah, this man
That's
hungry.
true.
That's basically
Hungry.
it.
Hungry.
Yeah, he is hungry.
Hungry.
How about Kyle? What are your problems during
Oh,
quarantine?
Same as Andrew, man. Social interaction.
Yeah.
We're
I think-
really limited
yeah.
when we're inside our
I
homes.
think that's what everyone wants nung quarantine to get out talaga, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
Yeah.
it was a solid, I don't know, 3 months quarantine, right? 3 months,
Oh,
di ba?
3 months.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still ongoing, pero it's 3 months and then we didn't get to see each other at least once. So it's a very
That's why I
hard.
was ruined.
Yeah, that's kind of true. And yun, maraming gustong lumabas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero despite all these, ano yung mga natuto nyo? Like, what did you guys learn? Like, new revelations this quarantine?
I'll start.
Revelations.
No, I guess I realized na we really should spend time
Yeah.
with our loved ones talaga.
Mhm.
Kasi you really don't know when they're gonna disappear, and katulad
Yeah.
nito nung quarantine, parang na-separate yung mga friends, yung mga relatives mo.
Yeah.
And
That's true.
it's really hard
So true.
kasi syempre you wanna be with them, right? You wanna be with them. And yeah, 3 months is just a very long time for me.
We're on our like 5th month, diba? 5th month
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
quarantine.
Quarantine.
It
Crazy.
sucks, man.
Crazy.
Philippines, man.
Oh,
No!
Who's this?
Welcome to the
No.
podcast.
Dito,
Nathan
Nathan.
Paul.
Nathan.
oh
Yeah.
yeah.
What's up, Nathan?
Hello, boys.
Brother.
Welcome.
Nathan, we're recording na.
Welcome,
Yeah,
Nathan.
welcome.
Say hello to the
Morning,
podcast, Nathan.
Nathan.
What's
Tell
up?
the viewers, saan ka galing? Saan ka galing?
All the viewers at Kagaling, bro.
I went to Soledad, you know. Had to
Hey!
had to
Why
do
did
some-
you go out?
Hey, bro, why'd you go outside,
Okay,
bro?
okay.
had
Would
to
you
do
go
some
out,
editing.
bro? Did you wear a mask?
Yeah, of course. I just stayed in the car.
Okay,
I just
okay.
stayed in the car.
Oh, okay,
Uh,
that's good, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta keep safe, you know.
Okay, so Nathan, we were just talking about our problems during quarantine. What were yours?
To be honest, there's a lot, but I think what we can relate, you know, all of us, is just us being bored, man. Nothing to do.
That's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, basically, bro.
Yeah, that's like one of the
Bored.
big problems I
Bored,
had.
man.
Yeah.
Mhm. Oh my god.
Hey,
Oh my
Jacob,
God.
are you here?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Jacob.
bro. I think we haven't called on you yet. What
Yeah,
were your
we haven't
problems
even.
during
Kumusta ka,
quarantine?
Jacob?
Jacob, what's your problem? What's your main problem?
bro?
Tapos, what did you learn? What did you learn new?
I learned that, minsan, there are sudden things that's gonna change just because of unexpected things that
Okay.
will happen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
Bro, our questions sound like CLE. CLE questions.
Oo nga eh,
Mga essay part.
So where's
I-
the others
Like
though?
a Bible verse.
Oh yeah, so right now we don't have Carl with us. That's
Oh,
sad.
Santos.
Yeah. Carl is like
Oh.
our main
I
editor.
hope he can join us
Name, bro.
in our next.
He's in the dark web.
Yo!
Dark web.
Redacted.
Cause like I think it was
Redacted.
like
Redacted.
Friday we were on the dark web. with it.
Redacted.
Okay.
No, really, I did not know. I wasn't there, bro.
I wasn't there. I have no relation.
Yo,
You were there.
in case of any investigation.
In case of federal investigation.
I was not
I
part
wasn't
of
there,
that.
bro.
I wasn't there. Man.
Yeah, pero it really is sad, right? Nah. 3
Yeah.
months
Yeah.
is
Yep.
very long time.
How about
Really
you?
Ano,
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 what did you learn?
Yeah, bro.
Sa magandang outcome, I learned like how to play the guitar kasi for my whole life I wanted to play the guitar.
Sample nga.
Sorry.
Ayoko.
Mga
Mamaya.
ano yung... Okay.
Amen.
Mamaya.
Me, I guess
Yeah,
like
man.
because of quarantine,
Oh.
because of like online school, I got a free MacBook, so I'm okay.
Free.
Damn.
That is
That's
fresh.
cat.
He flexed.
The bad
weird
thing is like
flex.
I'm always used to having food in the house, but now it's like
Damn.
rare. It's sucks.
Rare.
Just think of those who, diba? Like, who suffer because of
Yeah.
Because of all
We
this.
should be thankful.
No, I
We should be
know.
thankful.
Yeah.
We should be
We're
praying
blessed.
for them, you know.
Yeah, man.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's move on to our next topic siguro, no? What are you guys planning
Ano
to
ba next
do
topic
after
natin?
quarantine?
After quarantine,
Mm.
After quarantine,
There's a lot
bro, I
to
wanna
do.
ball.
bro.
I wanna
Actually,
ball.
there's so
Yeah,
many
we
I don't know what to do.
We can
I
talk
would love
about
to go out.
everything.
I wanna
Yeah.
ball too, you know.
I wanna play
One by one siguro.
Yeah.
Let's start with Nathan since bagong dating na
Yeah.
si Nathan.
Okay. To
Okay.
be honest, I just really wanna see everyone again. You know,
Oh,
living a
yes,
normal
sir.
life.
that's a homie right there.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. I also wanna ball with the boys. You know,
I see.
that's a tradition.
No, I'm with my boy.
It's
Okay.
very hard nung quarantine no kasi walang physical
Yeah.
activities masyado.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm so thin, man.
Online PE.
Bro,
Ako tumataba.
I got opposite, bro.
Me too.
I
Me
got
too.
fatter.
I'm fat, bro.
I saw
How
this
many
video
times
of Zion dancing Ricardo Milos, you know, for the English.
Oh yeah, let's go.
He looks so thin. He looks
Yeah,
so thin.
he does. That's probably
Bro,
because,
I eat
di ba?
a lot.
Oh, kala ko ba
Kala ko
wala
ba
na
wala
masyadong
kayong pagkain?
Dati, kahit dati.
I thought you said it's rare.
Rare.
It's
Kasi
for
pagkain.
quarantine.
Yo,
It's
for
that boy sus. That boy sus.
Cowboy
Wait.
sauce.
So,
Yes,
ano,
yes.
iba pa. Ano what do you guys wanna do after quarantine?
Kyle, do you
Kyle.
want to skateboard?
Kyle.
You know, go
Kyle.
skate parks and shit.
Skater.
Of
Yo,
course.
yo, no cursing.
You don't know? Yeah.
That's my bad. That's my bad. I'm
And
really
for
sorry.
me,
Go lang, just go.
I wanna go out and skate, but other than that, I also wanna meet everyone. Like low key, I
Yeah.
wanna go back to
Yeah.
school, man.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I want to go back to school.
It's
Oh,
it's
iba nga,
just
ano,
boring
October
being
pa
here.
yung pasok eh.
yeah,
Yeah.
Victor, David.
Damn.
Grabe.
That's like
Tagal yun na.
That's so
Well.
tagal.
September, October, 2 more months.
What are you gonna do with those 2 months, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
hella boring.
Online class na naman.
Yo.
Yo!
Redacted.
Redacted.
Yagi.
So guys, do we talk about online school pa ba?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah,
I mean,
pwede.
just
Not
our
cross
Try,
out.
experiences na lang na nangyari.
Sige,
It's
sige.
worth
I mean,
sharing.
I'm pretty sure all of us are having a hard time. Also, the teachers. 'Cause
Yeah.
we're just new
Dude.
to this.
Dude, I don't know how the teachers are gonna make like cheat-proof. Ano,
Yeah, I know.
Yung mga
Yeah.
test.
Kasi I think
Especially
it's
sa
gonna
math.
be very common. It's gonna be
'Cause we
very
could just we could just change tab and like
Yeah.
search for the answer.
Yeah.
unless they use
I'm not saying I do it, but it's
It's
not
Oh,
But like guys, what do you feel about online distance learning so far?
It's
Okay, actually, I
One by
it's
one,
just
one by
funny.
one.
Parang
Hmm.
for me, I learn the information. Like, I get to study the information parang easier. Kasi
Yeah.
ano eh,
It's true.
Yeah,
man.
that's true.
That's true.
For me,
Ano
that's
lang?
the same.
distraction lang, madaming distraction.
Yeah,
Yeah, on your computer.
retention issues.
For me,
I said it again.
Oh.
No.
It's okay.
Just bleep that.
Yeah, I guess for me,
I need a
like,
band.
is there? I
What?
don't think that ODL is fair because there's a lot of people with like really bad internet.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's
so,
one
like,
of the
Kawawa.
problems.
Si
That
Sean
thing is
kawawa eh, palaging
Mr. Sean Silo.
disconnected.
Shout
Silo.
out.
Shout out
Always
Sean Silo.
Yo, don't
Yes,
say full names,
Sean
bro.
Silo. Like, the people who really suffering are the college kids because they have school the whole day. Like my
Really?
sister, like
Oh.
All jokes aside, props to teachers for adjusting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's
Teachers
adjusting.
are
they're
But
handling
really
all
props
handling
hats
at
off to the
least, like,
teachers kasi
3 to 4 classes.
yeah, they're really having a hard time as well. So let's give
they need the
respect
love
to
and
them.
appreciation.
Yeah.
We
Deserve
love
the
teachers.
We love
Yeah.
That's true naman. Now we
That's-
appreciate
that's
the teachers.
Ngayon!
Redacted.
Yo.
Redacted.
After that.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, do you have any
edit all of this.
Do you have any kwento like during quarantine or maybe during online classes, bro?
Um, see,
Let me think.
I remember
Any
one
mga love
one
life
moment.
dyan?
Wala.
Love life wala.
Ah,
What's a
Wala.
love life,
Yan.
guys? This is my first time hearing that.
Single, not ready to mingle, bro.
Ano yan? PQ. Guys, ano kayo? MU? Hindi, PQ pang quarantine.
May naka-foreign fling dyan. Hala, labas na.
Naka-Zoom fling. Zoom dates.
Yo.
Zoom meeting.
Sure,
Babe,
man.
lam babe,
Oh my god.
babe, lampas na tayong 40 minutes, babe. Babay na, babe.
Oh no, sinuntok.
Sinuntok yung screen.
online, online sa
Sorry,
pakan.
babe.
Pero yun, may kwento
Online
ba
yung
kayo guys?
bulan.
Do you guys have any stories to share with us?
Si Jacob ata oh.
Jacob?
Kyle.
Jacob.
I
Jacob,
have none,
Jacob
I
has
got
been
none.
doing something
Bruh.
productive this quarantine.
Actually, yeah.
How have you been earning money, Jacob?
So, Jacob, how? Jacob, how?
It's
Jacob,
paper
how?
trading.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I
paper
run websites. Nothing. It's a really good, very
Sound
good
sus?
business. What do you mean sus?
Mm.
What's so sus about running a website? Is
Yeah,
Yeah,
very
man.
fun.
There's nothing
Okay,
sus about
okay.
that.
Never mind.
Ano, any memorable moments? Any memorable moments in ODL?
ODL.
Like specific moments.
so far.
Actually, right so far there's not a lot really.
Nothing too serious, nothing too.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty early.
It's just normal.
Yeah.
So normal.
Yeah.
There's nothing much.
I'm feeling neutral, you know.
Yeah.
Ako natawa ko kay ano eh. Kasi
Kanina.
like one time our batch was having like a introduction to a subject, orientation.
Yeah,
Tapos someone turned like before it all started, someone turned on their mic. Tapos sumigaw. You guys know?
Wonder who that is.
I think I know who that is. But
Yeah,
I'm
basta
not
yeah.
sure.
No names.
Hey, no name
No
dropping.
names. No names.
Not gonna name drop pero doon ako natawa.
Kind of funny. That was kind of
That
funny.
was funny, but
Kasi buong batch tas biglang may ano. Ganun.
Yes.
I really want Carl to be here. He's online
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
Well, I tried calling him.
Dun
He
ako-
wouldn't come.
Ako doon
Probably
ako-
still searching the dark web.
I feel
for
like
CP.
if Carl is here,
Yo.
he would add like humor to this pod.
Yeah. His vibe is different.
Bruh.
Bruh. Meron pang sound effect natin.
Yeah,
Sure,
soundboard
soundboard.
natin. Yeah.
Soundboard natin.
Carl's soundboard. Bro, I would want that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
That-
Ang
that would
daming
be
sounds.
fun.
Yeah.
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 I got a question for you. Like,
Oh.
Ano, ano.
what do you
What's
feel about the people who are posers in the skateboarding community or whatever?
Oh.
Me? What?
Yes.
Yeah, what do you feel?
Yes.
Oh, what I feel?
Yeah.
Um,
I mean, you skate, right?
Yeah, what do you feel?
yeah, I skate, but it doesn't really
Affect you or something?
I don't really mind
Oh, yeah.
until they use it for something else. Like
Oh.
I don't know,
What
like
do you mean by posers ba? Like, how do you qualify? as
like
a
when
poser?
you like for the Western when you wear like I don't know like Thrasher, but you don't
Oh,
use
yeah.
it.
Oh,
then-
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now I don't really mind. So
Yeah.
it doesn't really, yeah.
Parang it's common na rin ngayon, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what do you
What you
feel?
can wear, what you can wear, you know.
What do you say?
What do you
Nathan?
feel like these people who post their skateboarding in Instagram but they don't really have tricks? What do you feel
Yeah.
about that? Because right now I see it becoming popular.
Oh, those.
That's true.
Those videos.
No hate to
Oh,
them. I'm
those
just asking for an
videos.
opinion.
My opinion on it.
Yeah, cause you skate.
Um, as I
Valid.
said, I don't really mind.
Oh,
I think some people would mind that they have
Yeah.
a perspective on it, but for me,
Yeah.
I don't really mind. I just try to have fun skating,
Yeah, that's
and
the
yeah.
right mindset right there.
Yeah.
Just
Me,
enjoy.
I
Di
skate,
ba?
but I don't know any tricks.
Ooh,
Yeah.
noob.
Noob.
Yeah, I
Zion,
was
are
a
you a
kid,
noob?
right?
No hate.
Yeah, I'm a noob, bro.
No
But my
hate.
dad, bro.
Oh, so your dad like inspired you to like try
Yeah, when I was a
skating?
kid. When I was a kid. I was like, what, grade
Oh,
3?
okay.
But I
So
stopped because I was scared. Like,
oh nga guys, let's speaking of like your hobbies, tell us something about yourselves.
Mm.
Yes, how about Zach? Let's start with Zach.
Yeah,
Zach.
Gaming hobby.
Start with
Yeah.
Zach. Start with Zach.
Tapos na, Zach.
What can
Zach,
I
what is
say?
your
What should I say?
anything. Hobbies
I don't know.
siguro.
What do you like to do, man?
Oh well, I love video editing, as you all know.
Mhm.
Yes.
Promote, promote,
Editor, by the
promote.
way. Editor, by the
Nah,
way.
I'm not plugging. Yeah.
Plug,
Um,
plug,
humble.
plug, plug.
I'm very humble. I don't want to plug.
Okay, that's it.
That's cool.
Cars? Yeah, I love that.
Yes.
Mhm.
Just
What's
Of
your
course.
favorite car?
Cars, bro. Um, what else? That's it, bro. Basically it. That's my life.
Well, what's your favorite car, man?
yeah.
Favorite car? Everyone asks me that, and
Axe.
I don't know.
Oh, so wala
Axe.
kang particular
No,
na
but
favorite.
what's a car that you would like to own in the future when you
Yeah,
grow up?
that's a good
Yeah.
question.
Mm, an old Ferrari would be nice. Anything old.
Yeah, that's cool.
Anything old.
Yeah, vintage
Nice.
is actually
Retro.
nice.
Very
I
vintage.
see.
Anything vintage.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's a big
how
flex.
about Zion? Tell us something about
Zion's very interesting.
Yeah,
To be
kasi I feel
honest,
like
I don't
I
know.
feel like Zion has a lot of secrets but he won't tell us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has a lot
That's
to keep.
Like Zach know this, but like back in the day, I used to draw a lot.
Oh,
Oh.
never knew that.
Ooh.
Okay?
Artist.
Never knew that.
What in
Artist.
particular?
Yeah,
Zion.
what do you like to draw, Tate?
Just things that are interesting, that they just like to draw.
Interesting,
Because
I
in my-
see.
No, no. What,
Interesting.
what type of interest?
Example.
Example.
Anong klaseng interesting,
You know,
bro?
You like to draw planes, right? Rocket ships.
Nah, bro. Like, basta what was in my mind, I just draw it.
Oh,
I would draw like,
so
I would
you
draw
use
landscapes
you use your imagination, ganon. to
Yeah, I draw
Yeah.
landscapes and sometimes
Wow,
hills.
landscape.
Landscapes.
What
Landscape.
grade were you nung mahilig ka mag-drawing?
5 to 6.
No.
Oy.
Oy, sino yun?
Oh,
Sino yun?
I don't know who that is.
I do not know who that is.
I don't know.
Case of an
Who's that?
investigation.
But yeah, pero other than that, what I do
Okay,
now is just,
I wanna ask Jacob because I feel like Jacob is another
Jacob's very
mysterious
secretive.
person. Yeah, he's a mysterious person.
He's sus, but he's sus.
Tell us one secret. Bet.
Oh, I
That's
make
one
I make money. I am very secret.
That's all.
Yo,
secret.
how
Like,
do you make money?
How do you
Um,
make money?
As I said a while ago, I just run websites, you know.
what kind of websites ba? Like,
Yeah.
do you run a
like
website?
out of the gutter, okay? But like, what websites do you do?
Anong gutter?
Huh? God. Okay, so
Para lang may matagdag na vocabulary.
Out of the gun.
Let's get our head out of the gutter, okay? But like, what website?
Okay.
Mm,
Okay.
okay, so you
Jacob,
know,
what kind
said,
of websites?
the most recent one that I made, quiz website, it makes the most
Oh, no.
money as a beginner. So
How much? How much?
Wow.
how much? It is a
Yeah.
secret. Because I don't want people stalking me because of me being rich. You know, I don't like.
Oh,
I don't like.
okay.
Wow.
Okay, I
bro.
see, I see.
Bro.
But but hearing from that
Yeah.
statement, looks like Jacob really is making a lot of money.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
like to be. I would like to try to steal Jacob's money.
Yo.
No, I'm just
Here's
kidding.
your name, please.
Jacob,
labag
if you
na.
lose your money, alam mo na.
You know,
Alam
you know
mo
what's
na.
up.
Yes.
What's up,
Yes.
madlang people?
Oh, I thought I lagged out.
Kala ko
Ay,
naglag ako
I
eh.
thought I lagged
That
out.
was like a sudden,
It's alright.
sudden silence out of
Yeah.
It's
So how
normal.
about
It's-
Andrew?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Andrew.
What Andrew?
Wait, what's the question?
Andrew's very popular.
Tell us something about
Andrew's very
yourself.
popular.
Na like hindi
What's
ka
ano?
masyadong
What
alam
do you-
ng marami.
I don't know. Kasi, here. I've been working really hard to like, get better in basketball. Pero the thing is, it's like, I mean, I can't hide it, but it's like an insecurity, I guess, I could say.
Oh.
It's an insecurity kasi ang tagal ko na naglalaro, pero parang feeling ko ang bagal ng progression ko. You guys know that
At
feeling?
least there's
Yeah.
something.
At least there's
Yeah.
progress, yeah.
Yeah.
It's progress. It's better than nothing.
Yun
Yeah.
yung,
What
That's
matters
that's
is
like
the
one
hard
thing.
work that you put in.
Yes.
Yeah.
The journey, bro. The
Yeah.
journey.
Yes. The
'Cause
grind.
I'm pretty sure if you keep on going, it will be all worth it in the end.
Yeah,
It's true.
it's true. Just don't stop, man.
Yeah, just don't stop.
To stop. Wala, minsan nakaka-discourage eh, kasi
Yeah, because it's quarantine.
this would have been a good year to like
Yeah, for
prove
me
to
too.
myself.
Pretty sure for all of us.
Yeah,
Could've done
pero-
it
Lalo
on
na me.
and
Lalo na
off.
me.
Yeah. Zion, what did you do ba? Zion, what did you do to not make it?
About that, like they think that like
Ano they think? They think.
yeah, they're like kasi sometimes though I don't listen, so like
Mhm.
they're like fix your attitude first, then we'll put you in. I'm like,
Mm.
okay, I'm okay with that. I have to focus on my studies na naman muna, so like
I see.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ano, sino
I
pa?
had plans to be better with like quarantine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
How about Luis?
Yeah, Luis.
You have
Luis,
a
tell
lot.
us something juicy. Tell us something juicy.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Juicy secret, bro.
Juicy.
Wait,
I
by the
don't
way,
have
by the way, if y'all didn't know, Luis makes songs. It's in his
No.
IG.
Oh,
Hey.
yo.
Oh yeah, plug.
Alright.
Plug.
I'm not gonna plug
Very good
myself.
song.
but Thank you.
Unplug that.
Ano, I think, but like my main goal nung quarantine din kasi is to syempre get thin. I'm fat eh. I'm fat. That's like my main goal
Thick
since
boy.
grade 6. I guess you can call me that. Pero yeah, I really try to get thinner because insecurity ko yun eh, pagiging mataba. But again, once you see food, you know,
Seafood.
You go
Eat your
munch.
diet.
going, you know, you keep on
Yeah.
munching on that food and
Yeah.
it's really hard to resist once you eat na tuloy-tuloy. Yun, parang ang hirap magpapayat kapag natetempt kang kumain.
Yeah.
Do you guys think pagbalik natin from quarantine, like do you think people will be healthier or will they be?
That's kind
Depends on the person.
actually a good
Depends.
question.
It depends on the person.
Depends.
Yeah.
Kasi for
Kayo,
some
did you guys
people,
get healthier?
Nope.
No.
No, it's not the same.
neutral? Yeah.
Really thin.
Natural.
I think I became fatter.
Kasi ako, what I do, I eat a lot, pero I work out a lot as well. So parang, there's no progress. It's
That's
just
good.
the same.
I don't work
I
out.
think that's good.
I don't work out either.
I just bike.
Bike's fine.
That's still,
Pumapayat ka sa
yeah.
bike.
physical activity.
Papayat ka sa bike, that's good.
I mean, I was supposed to bike rin, pero like my bike is broken because of some kid in our village.
Oh wow.
Okay, we can title this podcast to Zion throwing shade at a kid in his village.
Zion has grudges.
No, like, I'm okay.
Yung okay.
It's still like it's just a bummer.
Yeah.
Sad lang.
Boomer.
It's just a kid, so it's fine.
Booma.
How about Kyle? Kyle's quiet.
Yeah, Kyle is quiet.
What's up, Kyle?
I think Kyle's sleeping, guys.
Kasi Kyle.
Kyle.
Tulog.
Kyle, are you there?
Kyle.
Kyle. Janelle.
Oy.
Guys,
Hello.
Bye, Tech.
hello.
Oh, he just muted
Oh,
himself.
you muted.
Just-
Bruh.
Wait, did we
Hello?
ask Nathan?
Oh,
There
welcome.
we
Good
go.
morning. Good morning,
My
guys.
How about you, Nick?
froze. My bad.
What's the question?
Wait, you slept?
What?
No.
No.
Bro,
Okay.
are you okay?
My
Yours?
Yes,
What
it's
did I miss?
We just talked about.
I think Jacob's gonna
Yeah.
go.
Gonna be right back.
Oh.
As
It's-
host.
Si Jacob.
Yeah.
Jacob,
Okay.
he's just going to eat dinner now.
He's gonna eat.
Aga.
Yeah. So as of now we're recording. As of now it's 5:04 p.m.
Yeah.
It's 5:04.
Yeah, malapit na rin mag-dinner. Gugutom na rin ako. Ayun na, tataba na ulit ako, pre.
Zach, check
Oh my
general real quick.
That's it.
Oh yeah, let's talk about your
Yeah, Kyle.
your cars, guys.
Kyle.
Cars.
Can you
Car,
describe
Me?
Can you
No,
describe
Zach.
to us what you guys do? Yeah, what do you guys do with that?
I wish I had the
Um,
PC.
For
We
me, oh, go lang.
sige, we 3D model the cars.
Mm.
Tinkercad.
Mm.
Kyle imports it to this
Blender.
software called Blender,
Yep.
and he renders them to make it look real.
Realistic.
Oh.
It's pretty sick.
Damn.
Yeah.
Guess
Ganda
we can
nun ah.
post a picture during the podcast para makita
yeah,
nyo.
Yeah, put
Yeah,
something
I'll
in.
edit it in. No worry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I
Feature
think
our work.
it really looks
like,
good. Not gonna-
Kyle's more of a veteran.
Yeah.
He
Really looks
modeled
good, man.
Blender longer than me.
so real as well. So it
Honestly, Carl's the best. So like,
what?
What'd you say?
Carl's car, man.
Yo,
Carl.
Carl, real quick.
Somebody show
Carl.
Carl's car later
I
na.
got it. I got that. I'll put that in.
Oh my god. That was.
Oh my god.
Yeah, how long have we been recording?
33
33
40
minutes as of now.
I think we did a great job for our pilot episode.
Yeah,
We're good.
It's just our first episode. It's just our
Very early. Yeah.
This
No,
is like
actually,
online
I think
class
I think it was the optimal I think this is the optimal length for an
for a
episode.
pilot.
34
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, what is going on in this Zion photo?
Which one?
Can you chill, bro?
He looks
Can you chill?
possessed.
Let's insert that photo.
He
my-
is currently
At least
glitching
cover my
out of reality.
Cover my face, alright? Can you at least cover my face?
Censored.
Hi.
And sorry.
It's like awfully
Do you wanna be censored,
not-
bro?
You look amazing.
You look amazing, Zion.
Shut
His
up.
eyes
Oh,
do
I-
that.
Yeah, Zion.
You
Oh,
did-
guess you're
no,
gonna
Zion.
No.
Sino yung
You guys
nag-circle?
are gonna expose me. You guys are gonna expose me, bro.
No,
Zion.
we're not. Nobody exposed.
Yo, he looks so
Nobody
scary.
exposed.
He looks so scary.
Oh my.
It was last night, okay?
What's that, dude? What's that thing in the background, bro? What's
I
that
don't know.
face?
It's a glitch.
Yo,
Yo,
there's like a
so
face
scary.
there. Yo, there's like
Yeah.
a face.
Oh,
Bro,
that looks like
Zion's
Jesus,
eyes,
man.
bro.
Why does
That's
that
me.
look like Jesus? Oh,
Cursed image. Cursed images.
yeah. We can qualify
Come on,
this as
man.
a cursed image.
It's late night, okay? That was like 11.
We can
Which
title this image as Zion staring into his own body, I guess. Look at
Yeah.
him, that's so scary.
Speaking of that, like
Hmm.
lucid dreaming, right?
Oh, I have these lucid dreams.
No, because I was
If-
listening to this Juice WRLD song, Lucid Dreams. Everyone knows that.
Okay.
Like,
Everyone knows that, yeah.
I'm pretty sure Luis had experienced lucid dreaming, right?
Oh,
Eh?
No, that's different. That's
is it
different.
What do you mean?
astral projection or something?
Yeah.
What about that
Astral
shit?
projection, that's different.
They talk
Yeah.
weird. That's
What?
so weird. We're out of topic na.
Yeah, what happened? What were we talking about? How did we get here?
Hello,
Okay.
hello.
Okay. So for those who don't know, like I think I was grade. I'm not sure, but I was a
Nine.
single digit age, none, and then and
Oh my
I got home from playing football, na tournament, kasi dati I used to play football. Yeah.
Mhm.
I was so tired talaga. Then I literally glitched out of reality. And
What?
next thing I know, kasi I closed my eyes, right? I wanted to rest. Next thing I know, when I opened my eyes, I can see my own body. I was in the ceiling, and then I can see my body
It's
sa
like
bed.
it's like you were dead.
I guess it's like,
Oh,
Probably
your
because
soul
you
is-
were maybe you
yeah,
were really tired or
Oh.
Yeah.
something.
I think
Yeah.
that's the reason. Kasi,
You're
yeah.
probably just tripping, man.
No, I do
That's-
not take drugs, okay? That's different.
No, like you're tripping.
Yeah, tripping means you take...
Tripping means
Pretty
I
much
don't
you're
really
high.
know.
Mas
That means you're high,
was
right?
really,
But
he was really
anyways,
tired.
you call that astral... I think that's what you call it, astral projection.
Astral projection.
Oh no,
It's
no.
different
I
from
think it's like
lucid
outer,
dreams.
outer body experience. Or something.
Yeah, it's the same,
Yeah.
it's the same, ano.
we went spectator mode then.
Oh my god.
You
Slash
died.
game mode.
You died. I went into creative mode, my guy.
Like when you die in hardcore mode.
No, when you die in
Every
hardcore, you
day
don't go
hardcore
back.
mode, though.
Are you dumb? Yeah.
Every
Hello,
day is
hello,
hardcore
hello,
mode, man.
Yeah.
that's
That's,
the point.
welcome to Hello Hello Podcast.
Yeah.
Literally everything's mixed, bro. That's why we named it
Mixed.
Halo Halo.
That's halo for you.
Diba, online classes, we are using Zoom. What do you guys feel about Zoom as our main platform?
It's
It's
alright.
okay.
I think it's
Okay.
right.
Lang.
It's actually
Yeah.
riot.
Kasi
Ang
I've
weird lang
seen,
kasi walang
ano, I've
background.
seen posts na they're saying na mas maganda daw Discord. How would you guys feel? How would you guys
I
feel?
mean,
na-
yeah.
Oh yeah,
Because
I
like a
mean,
lot
it's
of
much
kids,
better.
a lot of
It is better.
yeah, I
kids
have
use
mixed
Discord.
feelings.
I mean,
Kasi you can see the status of of your
of
students.
everyone. Yeah.
kinda awkward.
If he's playing.
Uy, oo
on-
nga, no. Actually, baka mas maganda ngayon.
yeah.
Makita mo
Yeah,
status.
like-
I mean, if you're playing, it's not good.
Yeah.
Don't play
Yeah.
while you class, guys. Bad
I
yun.
mean, you can always turn it off inside.
Asynchronous is nakalagay playing Valorant.
What are
yeah,
your thoughts on our LMS though? Like Schoology.
Oh,
Because
Ah,
it's-
Schoology?
It crashed, right? It's,
No, Schoology kasi ano eh,
yeah.
ang pangit ng ano.
It's not user friendly. It's very.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
yeah, yeah.
interface is really complicated. Look.
It's so old. Yeah.
it's like old Facebook.
I
Type of-
love
Yeah.
Google
Yeah.
Classroom.
Hindi, tapos ano, minsan namamatay yung service, di ba?
Yeah.
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 It's
Minsan nakatago yung folders. And
Mm.
that stuff's confusing.
Okay, so all of us here plays video games, correct?
Yeah.
yes.
That's
Yeah.
one thing we have in
Yeah.
common. We're all gamers.
We can talk about that. What were you guys playing?
Fortnite.
Port. Valorant,
Uh,
ML.
Valorant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Valorant. Yeah.
Valorant. Osu.
Playing
also.
okay.
I think
Also,
also ang mas naging parang
Osu is very
common.
popular now.
Yeah, mas naging common siya these
Yeah,
days.
it's
It's
not
a
like
nice
before.
game. It's a nice game.
Yeah.
Before Osu was like boring, but like I guess now everyone's got into.
Yeah, since everyone's hopping on the game,
Yeah.
so parang na-influence na iba.
I'm sad, man.
Why?
Why?
Talk
Why?
about it.
Why is
know,
that, bro?
Fortnite. You know,
App
no one really
Store.
plays the game anymore.
Yeah,
It
it's
doesn't
dying.
feel the
Yeah.
same. I remember
It's not-
like
yeah.
grade 8 after
Yeah.
school or
I like the old.
weekends, we go play
oh,
with
my
the
bad.
boys, you know.
Yeah.
I remember all of you were still playing.
Dude,
used
I
to
like
play
the
a lot.
old days
Yeah.
better.
Yeah, me too.
I remember we played it on first day of release. I think.
Yeah.
Yep.
Me
It's
and
just
Kyle.
so sad, man.
It's been
Like
a
the
long time.
umbrellas.
Oh,
Yeah.
Umbrella. What were your first glide days? You win.
Yeah, that was fun. Getting your first
Very
win.
nice.
Speaking of
Here's
games,
Umbrella.
what do you guys think about PS5?
Yes.
Oh.
Five.
PS5.
Oh. Yeah, that's better.
That
Dude,
better
I,
than
don't-
my
I
PC.
don't know kasi
Yeah.
I hope it's cheap. I hope it's cheap.
I
that's it.
don't think
I don't
so.
think
It looks
I've
ahead
seen
of its
it be.
time, but it's so expensive.
It looks
Yeah,
like
it is.
Eve from
I
Wall-E.
feel like it's going to be.
Yeah.
I've seen the spec.
I have love
It's
mixed
router.
in my room, bro.
It looks like a router though. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's what people say.
A router.
I don't know. I mean, I have space for it in my room, but like I don't know where to put it. It's kind of
Yeah.
like my room's so like cool. That's my
Yeah.
futuristic na bagay doon. So it's like really.
Yeah. I really
Also-
like the controller though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. The controller.
The controller's nice.
It looks sexy.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa, buddy.
Are you attracted
But-
to it, Nathan?
No. It looks better than the DualShock 4 and the
Yeah.
other
Oh
versions.
yeah.
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 It's more bulky now.
Yeah.
Looks like the Xbox controller now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
Same,
I think that's what they're trying to
same
do.
shape. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what they're trying
So
to.
everyone's comfortable with an Xbox controller. Like the
Mm-hmm.
professionals.
The other thing with
Yeah.
Xbox kasi yung joystick sa right nasa baba, di ba?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
that's uncomfortable for
Oh.
me.
No, I like it though for in the Xbox.
I mean, I like it for that, but like not for
Yeah.
PS.
What do you guys think about the new Xbox?
No.
I,
Actually, it's fine.
haven't-
To
I
be
haven't
honest,
heard-
I
I haven't heard
would want
much
to
about
switch to Xbox.
Legit na box eh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it,
it looks like a
really-
toaster.
it looks better.
A trash can.
What do you mean? It looks
It's a
like a
literal
cuboid, bro.
Xbox, my guy.
Would you rather have
Cuboid.
that or Eve?
Eve.
An
At least there's like design.
Yeah, I guess.
Honestly,
Eve
man.
looks futuristic.
Yeah, it does.
Yup.
Seriously.
Very
Yeah.
respect.
I guess
Ano?
we talked about a decent
lot
amount of topics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of topics. Yeah.
I guess we can end here.
Yeah, we can wrap
yes,
things up na.
We did a good first. We did a good.
Yeah. I'm
Good
really
pilot
content that
episode.
did our pilot episode.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is just the beginning.
Yeah, for
That's the beginning.
sure.
It's not like we should be
Madami
really
pa.
ano. It's just the first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're very first.
I liked
Very
it. I like
This is our
it.
first time doing this, so.
Yeah.
I like the experience of recording.
Yeah.
Mhm.
We're not doing this.
It's okay pag medyo awkward pa rin kasi it's just the first time.
Oh, naman.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna get more comfortable over
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're not
Yeah.
doing this just for the sake of recording. We're doing this
Yeah.
because we enjoy it. Diba?
Yeah.
And you wanna hang out with the boys virtually.
Yo, we're literally at the
'cause in-
lunch table right now.
Yeah, bro.
Cause in online classes we're muted and we don't get to talk with our classmates.
Yeah,
We don't get to gossip.
true.
We
But I
don't
mean,
get to
it's
ask like,
appropriate. It's
yo,
appro-
what's the answers to this question? You know what I mean?
Yo.
We don't get that hallway vibes.
Uh-huh.
Going to the
Yeah.
bathroom.
Always.
Yeah.
It's just
vibes.
really different.
Going to the
Dude,
bathroom.
But
Go to the
ano,
bathroom,
alam mo
easy
yung,
back.
alam mo, papunta kang banyo, tapos may kasalubong kang ano.
Yeah. Then you go
Yeah.
back. That's just
And
so
you're-
fun.
Like, you're obligated to say hi to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
they were
yeah.
smiling
Like,
at you
it takes
pa.
30 minutes for you to go back.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this has been a good episode, no?
Mm.
Yeah, very first
Mhm.
episode.
Yeah,
very
I like
nice.
this because I finally have to I can do something.
Yeah.
So there's something
This
productive.
is actually something productive.
Yeah.
What's
So,
the outro? What's
for
the
the next
outro?
episodes, we're gonna be bringing in some guests.
Oh,
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah,
So
let's
definitely
go.
something to look forward to. Ooh.
Forward to that.
Very
Yes.
soon. All right, boys. I think we can do the outro here now.
Yep.
That's basically it for today's episode. Tune in for next week, and thank you for listening. Show some love, and goodbye. God bless.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. and
Thank you.
I love you.
Nah. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.